Hello, my name is Hermu, a third year PhD student at the School of Natural Resources and Environment. I am an Indonesian forester and a lecturer at the Faculty of Forestry, Universitas Gadjah Mada in Indonesia. I am now studying interdisciplinary ecology at the University of Florida. I worked as an Indonesian forestry auditor for about 10 years before I joined as an academic tutor 4 years ago in 2018. As a lecturer in the Laboratory of Forest Harvesting, I have to specialize in forest engineering studies where reduced impact logging is one of the exciting topics among other forestry issues, especially in climate change. By implementing reduced impact logging practices in Indonesian forest concessions, I hope it can contribute to climate change mitigation and support the Indonesian target to minimize carbon emissions from the forestry sector specifically. So, about the different forests in America and Indonesia, as you might be aware, Indonesia is located in the tropical area while the United States of America is from yeah from tropical subtropics to temperate zones. They affect the forest types in both countries. One third of the United States area is forest land, while Indonesia is about half of the area are forested. And some tropical area in U.S. Like in Hawaii, Puerto Rico, and also in here in the Florida Everglades, like some temperate forests in the west and east coast, like California and Colorado, and the other like boreal forest in here in the United States, like in the northern part of the United States of America. Here in the eastern of U.S. region is predominated, pro, yeah, is dominated by the conifer forest and plantation. In the southern coastal area, the majority has private ownership, while the western region is dominated by the coniferous trees with public ownerships. On the other hand, Indonesia's majority of forest is managed by the state, about 120 million hectares, and mostly classified as a primary forest, not only for timber production but also for conservation and other purposes. While the small forest area is managed by community privately for their livelihood. Regarding the diversity of wood in America and Indonesia, the U.S. itself they have about 100 native species, tree species, yeah, including the exotic species that brings to the U.S. from other countries, and some the famous species here in the U.S. like loblolly pine, white oak, red maple, sweet gum, Douglas fir, aspen, so on and so forth. While in Indonesia, we have a very rich species, about 30,000 species of plants that half species are endemic in the country, and few are protected by the law. And some famous Indonesian timber include teakwood, meranti, or dipterocarp, merbau in Papua, sengon like a fast-growing species, and the hardwood like ulin or hardwood, one of the strong timber from Indonesia.